Hello everyone, I am Tairatul Jannat Tamima. Here Raihan Ahmed and Umme Jahan. Today we are gathered here to discuss the Software Engineering Code of Ethics and ACM Code of Ethics. A set of moral principles or values are called ethics. A recent violation of ethics in the e-commerce industry is Bangladesh Bank heist. According to a report of the professional ethics from the Guardian newspaper. In February 2016, there was a hacking transaction worth of nearly $1 billion from Bangladesh Bank's account in New York Federal Reserve Bank. It was presumed that the transaction was made from an official computer of Central Bank of Bangladesh, and it ordered to send their money of Philippines and Sri Lanka by making 25 transaction dollars. The hacking attempt was interrupted after completing 5 successful transactions worth of $81 million. The origin of the attack has been connected to the attackers group Lazarus and North Korea. According to FBI report, even though the attackers did try to remove any evidence from the bank's system, Kaspersky managed to access some of the data, the backups of the system. The recovered files indicate that the technique and tools used in the attack can be linked to a group known as Lazarus. So, Raihan Ahmed, what do you think? How Bangladesh Bank heist affect our national security system?
Well, hacking Bangladesh Bank's account is a simple evidence how dangerous the cybercrime can be for our economic world. Every day our internet economic system is struggling with hacking attempt. Beyond all of the security protocols, banks themselves are responsible for their individual cybersecurity. This is where hackers are exploiting weakness in the system. For example, a hacker group called Lazarus with its subgroup Lunarov have targeted and successfully attacked smaller banks in poorer and less developed countries whose own cybersecurity measures and systems are poorer. It is suspected that there might be inside hand in Bangladesh Bank to make the hacking successful. Cybercrime is a threat to our internet system. It is a big issue. Our too much dependency on internet requires strong security system, because if we fail to keep our information safe, our entire e-system will be collapsed. So, Umma Jahan, what do you think? How these heist violates the ACM code and ASI code of ethics? What should they do?
Well, the codes provide reminders about specific professional responsibilities. The ACM code emphasizes the basic ethical values of honesty and fairness. The AC code covers many specific points about software development. They cover many aspects of professional behavior, including the responsibility to respect confidentiality, maintain professional competence, be aware of relevant laws, and honor contracts and agreements. According to application of ethical theory, they should maintain two types of ethics. Number one, duty and right ethics. Number two, virtual ethics. They are reckless to the problem of firewall. We all know the proverb, little should not be neglected. Their lack of professional duty causes $81 million robbery. Besides, according to FBI report, there was inside helper that indicates that some corrupted person was also there to help the hackers. According to duty and right ethics, Bangladesh Bank's employees should be honored to their duty. Philippine Bank also should proper care about the way they open the 4 accounts without proper authentication and did transaction. On the other hand, people keep their money in bank for safety. They don't have faith in the bank, that's why they put their money in there. But in this case, it is found that there are some illegal activities in Bangladesh Bank and Philippine Bank. They broke the trust of people. According to virtual ethics, they should not do this. Here we finish our discussion. Thanks to all of you.